Yeah, there's people down there. What is going on, everybody? How's everybody doing today? Welcome to a new video. So today we're out of the house again. Like I said, doctor's orders. We're getting a little unhealthy, if you know what I'm talking about, so we need some exercise. So today we brought you to Fall Creek Falls. Hey, I hope you like this. If you do, you know what to do, baby. Drop some thumbs, hit that like button. It would really help me out. And hey, come subscribe. Come join the Odie Nation. I'd love to have you guys. Peace out, baby. Yeah. Y'all be careful. Be careful.
I am. Be careful.
All right, so we're gonna go down first. Huh?
Well, you gonna make it come all the way back up there?
Yep.
Oh man.
That means we gotta come back up it.
Yeah. Shows that I hate stairs.
Ooh, look at that.
Is that really only swimming down there? Sliding off that rock? You're alright. We got pictures of right where it's at. Remember?
This is,
That's where we swam at.
yeah, this is where we go swimming, so y'all be careful.
Yeah.
Huh?
You want to go down there?
This is the swimming spot in the summertime. Come here right to these rocks, walk right up to the big waterfall. I don't even know if you can hear me over it. Sucker is huge. Above it, you can see the bridge we'll be walking across here in a minute. So pretty. Be careful. I'm just saying, one stumble up here will kill you. We kind of missed it, but they were rocking the bridge up there big time. Look at that thing get to swinging. Look at that. That's hilarious.
I'm crying. Oh, that hit my belly.
This thing does sway a lot.
Yes, it does. Okay. Oh.
It's a sway, sway.
Okay. Oh, shit. Okay. That's crap.
Trying to walk and record is like, whoa. Yeah, we're good. Safety to the other side.
Not that bridge. There is one.
Well, that bridge is cool.
No, what? Oh, kids did it. What a lady.
Getting our exercise in today. Look, as we go up, that's a long way down there. And there's that swingy bridge, boy. It definitely sways on you. We got it at the top. Whew. Them stairs are brutal. You got this.
You got this where I did it, so stop with the whistle, let's go.
You're 25. I'm 48.
Deal with it.
I'm damn near 50. You need a shuttle bus.
Come on.
To the top.
Oh, crap. We ain't got benches up here. We do it?
Yeah. All right, guys. You know what time it is. Break time. Well, we were definitely in need of some exercise. Those stairs just whooped our butts. But hey, let's keep this journey going.
Up here, you can walk back down it, baby. You can get the car.
Meet you back at the top.
Yeah.
Horrible.
He ain't gonna do that.
He laughs at me. At least there's a breeze.
You know it? We done it.
Yeah.
Is the trail bad up through there?
It's not bad at all.
It ain't? Okay. Thank you.
Going round the bend. Up, 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 up we go.
all got low cholesterol.
High cholesterol.
Huh?
I'm saying.
Another fork in the road. Let's go. These trees squeaking, man. No. There's some trees squeaking.
That's scary.
Guess to say we are dying is an understatement, because this is uphill. We thought that 3.2 miles was bad. It was all flat ground. Oh, they don't stop on me. But this right here, so far we're going straight up. But I did say, good thing is on the way back, it'll all be downhill. Well, let's keep going. And we're off.
Sitting up there for 30 minutes.
And guys, there are trees down everywhere. Look at this big old bundle. Big cluster. Oh, we're not alone.
I'm sure they're hunting for cobra.
Babe, I think I see us a good spot.
Okay.
Good spot to take a break.
Yeah. Can I get it, Cody?
There's our break. There's our break spot. Perfect.
Piece of wood there.
Oh,
Bad. Scared me.
oop.
Here's a stumble.
It's okay to stumble.
Yep.
Just got to get back up.
Yep. Everybody stumbles in life. Don't be, baby.
Oh yeah.
Everybody stumbles in life. Be careful. I heard you that time too.
Sliding down. Ooh, tight spot. This way I can watch where I'm going and keep an eye on the peoples. Somewhat. So if I can click me,
We gotta walk back
no,
up this thing.
just that little piece. Oof. Down.
Dude, his mama had him. He's a country boy. He'd drag her best with him. I would too. I don't know. You know.
Getting closer, peeps. Starting to hear the water again. The falls are like over this way, but we got to go down around this way and then come back to it on the other side. All right, let's go. Nope. Slippery when wet. Alright guys, so I don't know if you can tell, but we are hot and sweaty, but this is a very beautiful area. Perfect little break spot, you know what I'm saying, right by the water. Y'all don't slack on your exercising, because then you want to go do something simple like climb this little mountain. It's gonna whoop you. But hey, let's keep climbing. We're gonna take another break. Maybe a year from now we won't have to take so many breaks, so stay with us. Pretty cool. Look like an old bridge right there. Keep on trucking. Up, 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 up we go. It's just another set of stairs. Just some of them are slanted in different directions. Oh, watch your feet, not the camera. Watch your feet, not the camera. Camera's doing its job, you do yours. Whew. Now the water, you can hear it off to our right. This will keep trucking around. More trees down. Yeah, feels great. Yep.
I'm sweating.
Alright, so we're coming up on this little fork. Obviously we came from the nature center, but I think what's called the village is in that direction. But that's another day. Let's go find these falls. Fall Creek Falls. Oh, this one's pavement. That's what I'm talking about. Getting closer to the other side of it, where you can also park and see the top of the waterfall. So many trees down, boy. Look at these big boys. Keep on rolling, 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 rolling.
Oh, this bridge is crooked. The bridge is crooked. Is that the way it's supposed to be?
Probably them damn engineers. They look good on paper.
Making it back there, Cody?
Stragglers. Oh. We're getting it. Slowly. We'll get there. Oh. Peoples. Oh, you can hear it good now. Y'all be careful. So that's a long way down. Big Bertha over there. Let's keep going. Oh. Up we go. Alright, we made it to the top. There's bathrooms if y'all need them. And that beautiful baby. Alright guys. So there is another entrance if you want to come straight to the falls. Alright guys, top entrance, you just follow the sidewalk and it'll take you straight to the lookout over here. The trail where we came up over there. And then another set of bathrooms back this way behind us. But let's walk straight up. Over the cliff. Perfect. Yeah, there's people down there. Way down yonder. I don't know if you can see them, but
They looking up here at us.
that's cool.
They looking up here at us.
The wind is whipping the beard everywhere. That is cool, y'all. Sharp. That's huge. That, but there's a view of, if you cut off on one of them other little side trails, it leads to that little rock over there. But my family is not doing that. I might come out here one day by myself and get a little riskier, but you can see people on top of it over there. If something happens, they're done for, boys. Done for. So you do come up here, be very careful. Right next to that big bad boy. So pretty. Look at that, boy. Tree just got literally uprooted. Hey babe,
Yes.
Just for comparison, walk up to that sucker. Now that's an uprooting. Ripped it clean out of the ground, boy. crazy. Alright, we made it back down. Back at this bridge again. Phew. We will wait our turn. There's people coming across. There's water. We are chill. This bridge is hilarious. This bridge is hilarious. Look, she's got her camera going too. And he's off. You too. All right. It is swaying. Somebody's behind me shaking. Run! Running.
Yeah.
Crazy.
I couldn't run it.
Not even close.
No.